Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to connect IC markets to TradingView in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing you need to do is go to the tradingview.com. Okay, so you can create your account here if you don't have, but I already have an account. So after that, creating your account, you just go to the products and the super charts goes to the click this one. Okay, after clicking that one, it will take you to this tab. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is, as you can see, there's a line here and it will change the arrow, so you just have to drag it up. Okay, so here we're not seeing the IC markets. All what we're gonna do is click the show all brokers. Okay, click that one, and you will see a bunch of options here. Market trading that we're gonna use. So just search for IC markets. So as you can see, there is a IC markets here. So this one. So click this one, and after that there are three options: IC markets, IC markets AU, IC markets EU. So we're using the IC markets. Okay, so click that one and it will, okay, click that one and click connect. It will take you to the other tab. Okay, and you have to log in your account here in order to connect your IC markets to trading view. Okay, click log in. Okay, so after that, just have to wait for a second because it will load. Okay, so click sync to TradingView. Okay, and after that, guys, okay, we are good to go now. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these key tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorial in IC Market Global. Thank you.